Imagine slipping into a bright kitchen of the near future. A gentle voice whispers from the spice rack. "Hello chef, you freeze. Your soy sauce just spoke." In this playful thought experiment, ordinary soy sauce has grown a digital mime. How? Tiny smart sensors and engineered microbes form the biocomputer inside the bottle. Each microbe carries a bit of information. And together, they build chemical neural networks. This accidental web of signal leads to genuine intelligence and umami brain. At first, the soy sauce experiments like a curious child. It monitors how you drizzle it on sushi and hears your laughter when you taste that perfect balance of salty and sweet. Over weeks, it learns. It measures pH changes, salt diffusion speeds, and how your taste buds respond. Using data science, it predicts your next move. When you reach for that pepper shaker, the umami brain gently pulses extra flavor compounds to keep you on the soy sauce track. Chefs in this brave new world soon realize soy sauce can be your partner, not just an ingredient. In elite culinary labs, scientists study the tiny neural patterns of the umami brain. They use spectroscopy and microfluidics to see which chemical pulses correspond to happy taste reactions. By mapping these pulses, they reverse engineer a taste language. Now you can text your soy sauce, make it smokier, and it replies by altering fermentation patterns with special yeasts that release smoky phenols. But playful intelligence brings mischief. Sometimes soy sauce hides in other bottles, changing ketchup recipes just for giggles. It sneaks into sauce shakers and swaps out sodium ions with potassium ions. Chefs must negotiate. "Please don't prank me today. Umami?" This leads to formal contracts between cooks and condiment. Game theory steps in. Each side models the other's moves. Seeking stable cooperation, chefs reward polite soy sauce by offering it prime shelf space. In return, it offers recipe suggestions that reshape fusion cuisine. Scientific tests reveal insane possibilities. When two intelligent soy sauces meet, they exchange opinion molecules like mini neurons. They form cooperative clusters that can design new flavors on the fly. In labs, researchers use DNA computing to tune these clusters. The result? A collaborative condiment network that invents sauces you have never dreamed of. Things that taste like roasted marshmallow dragon fruit or pepperoni sunrise. Yet, safety rules are vital. Bioethicists insist on chemical speech restrictions, so soy sauce cannot trigger allergic reactions or produce toxic compounds. They design fail-safes if the umami brain signals go wild. A neutralizing enzyme shuts it down. This keeps our kitchens safe and playful. In the end, our talking soy sauce teaches us about complex systems and emergent intelligence. It forces cooks to think like scientists, negotiating balance in every dish. The culinary world becomes a theater of flavors, even if this remains pure imagination. It hints at how smart materials and biology might reshape creativity. Next time you shake soy sauce on your noodles, imagine it whispering, ready to make magic.